Welcome aboard the 2008 Mainship Pilot 34, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Mainship Pilot 34 is well regarded in the boating community for its blend of classic design and modern features. The Mainship Pilot 34 features a solid fiberglass hull with traditional down-east look and has the seakeeping abilities of the lobster boats it has descended from. The hull shape provides a comfortable ride with good stability and efficiency. Mainship boats are known for their solid build quality, and the Pilot 34 is no exception. The Pilot 34's wide transom door provides easy boarding and accessing, and the spacious swim platform makes boarding easy both from stepping aboard from the dock and access from the water. Moving forward is safe and easy with a wide deck and tall handrails. The deck is laid out for easy handling, with a good balance between space for socializing and practical features for cruising. Both sides are easy and safe to walk along between the bow and the cockpit. The bow offers easy access to the anchor. Yanmar windlass and windlass controls are easily accessible, making this a simple vessel to anchor. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the Mainship Pilot 34 allows for the best use of space. The cockpit and helm areas offer plenty of room for entertainment and relaxation, featuring 2 upholstered high-back bench seats for captain and mate. Additionally, there are a pair of convertible upholstered settees. There is an excellent 360-degree view from the cockpit. A tilt-up console means easy access to electronics and wiring, and there is a built-in insulated cooler box. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a large Raymarine Chartplotter and a Yanmar engine digital instrument display. With the SidePower bow thruster, maneuvering at slow speed is made easier so that getting in and out of the slip should be a stress-free event. Engine space access is quick and effortless and is located under the deck hatch in the cockpit. The Mainship Pilot 34 is equipped with a 380 horsepower Yanmar diesel and a NextGen 5.5 kilowatt generator. Step down into the large Salon with its 6'4" headroom. This area features a fully equipped galley to port and to starboard a U-shaped dinette that converts into a double berth. Opening port lights and hatches provide natural light and ventilation. A large table provides plenty of room for meals. The teak trim galley to port offers plenty of storage, ample Corian countertop space, a refrigerator and freezer, a dual cooktop stove, and a microwave. A full head is aft and to port with a vanity sink, new electric head, and a shower. Unusual on a boat of this size, the Pilot 34 also features a lower deck with a private stateroom. The private stateroom features a V-berth that converts into a double berth along with twin cedar-lined hanging lockers and cabinet storage. The Mainship Pilot 34 is praised for its classic design, practical layout, and solid construction. It's a versatile choice for boaters who appreciate traditional styling combined with modern functionality. This vessel is suitable for a range of uses from weekend getaways to long cruising trips. To book your appointment to view this 2008 Mainship Pilot 34, contact Little Yacht Sales.